Begin with the formula, not the bottle shape. Tell the packaging supplier whether the product is a serum, lotion, cream, gel, oil, or another texture, and explain how the consumer should use it. An airless system can limit routine air exchange during dispensing, but that does not replace compatibility testing. The actual formula still needs to be sampled and tested with the complete package.
Next, define the target fill volume and the proportions you want on shelf. A compact eye care package, a daily serum, and a larger body care format create different requirements for height, diameter, decoration area, and carton size. Do not select capacity from appearance alone. Share the intended net contents, target dimensions if they matter, and any limits created by secondary packaging or retail displays. Now choose a material direction. Oulete's product library includes PP, PETG, acrylic, PCR, and refillable airless formats. Each direction changes the visual weight, component structure, decoration options, and sustainability story. Do not treat material as a label added at the end. Ask which components use which material, what appearance is achievable, and which samples are available for your project before approving the structure. The dispenser controls the daily user experience. Confirm how the pump should feel, how much product the user expects per press, and whether the actuator is comfortable for the intended application. The pump, bottle body, piston, overcap, and decorative parts must work as one system. During sampling, check priming, dispensing consistency, leakage, closure fit, and how the pack behaves after repeated use.
Decoration should be planned with the package geometry, not pasted onto it later. Provide a color reference, artwork, finish direction, and the areas that must remain functional. Screen printing, hot foil, coatings, metallized effects, and component color can create very different results. Ask for a decorated sample or an approved reference before repeat production, and check legibility, registration, finish consistency, and adhesion on the selected material. A beautiful render does not show whether every component can be produced and assembled consistently. Review the part breakdown, molding direction, interfaces, assembly sequence, and any decoration that happens before final assembly. Factory footage is useful because it connects the product drawing to real material flow and equipment. Resolve structure and assembly questions before locking artwork, cartons, and launch timing. Test the complete package with the actual formula whenever possible. Look for changes in the bottle, pump, seals, decoration, and formula over the intended test conditions. Check filling, priming, dispensing, leakage, storage orientation, transport handling, and repeated use. If the formula, material, pump, decoration, or production process changes, review whether the sample and compatibility work must be repeated before mass production. A useful request for quotation is specific. Send the formula type, target fill volume, preferred material, dispensing requirement, color and decoration references, expected quantity, target market, sample needs, and required timing. Attach artwork and dimensions when available. A clear brief helps the supplier compare existing options, identify custom work, and return questions early. You can send this information to Oulete through the contact page linked below.